demon Apophis is trailing him, waiting for a chance to strike. The idea of being challenged by demons in the afterlife is very old. It represented the belief that there would be a final reckoning after death. It's an idea that still resonates down the centuries.
Why are people good nowadays if they're monotheistic? They're good because they're afraid if they're bad, God will punish them and they will go to hell, right? It's a matter of faith, and it's the same way I think the Egyptians believed it.
The Egyptian archdemon Apophis bears an uncanny resemblance to the Judeo-Christian idea of Satan, an evil being bent on destroying humanity.
Apophis was represented in the mind of the ancient Egyptian as the devil. And if the king and the sun god cannot conquer him, the cosmos will be finished.
It's no accident he's a snake. The Egyptian underworld was a place filled with creatures inspired by the natural world around them. Those animals sometimes combined and morphed into the gods and nightmarish demons that would haunt the afterlife journey.
Some of these demons that were created by the ancient Egyptians might have had their basis in the idea not just of night terrors, but things that might lurk underneath in the water.
Apophis will continue to stalk Seti throughout the night,